Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Barry Buns from Disney's Kiff. So let's get started. To draw this cute rabbit, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a really big circle. There, got one, and then I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another one. The second one's always a bit trickier and harder because you try to match the first one. So it always takes a little bit longer. Okay, there. So I got two big circles in, and I'm going to come into the center, about right here, and just fill in a small circle. So dot right in the center. There. And then in between the eyes, let's go ahead and draw an oval for his little nose. Right there. And then we're going to bring a straight line down from the center to about right there. And depending on the expression you want, I'm just gonna make him happy. So I'll just put in a curve right there. And then from there we can go ahead and draw his body. So I'm gonna come right next to this eye, really close to it, and just give myself a point. And then from there I'm going to go up. So this is like the center of my eye. I'm gonna go ahead and go up and draw this big curve over for his head. So like this big dome curve. So come towards the center about right there, and then we can come right back down on the other side. There. Okay, so then now that I have that curve in, I'm going to bring this down, straight down. So his body is kind of like a pear, which is super cute. So let's bring this down a little bit more. Just say about right there. And then I'm going to start to curve. So let's come out. So like a pear, like I said, or like a light bulb. The bottom right here, we're going to start to pop it out a little bit more. And on this side, we're going to pop it out even more, a little bit more pronounced. So say about right here, because that's where his little behind is. And then on this side, it's not going to be as popped out. So it's just a little bit smoother and just round it off. So that's the only difference there. So about right there. And then we can go ahead and connect at the bottom. So just kind of flatten it out a little bit towards the bottom. There. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm going to come right here, and where it pops out, we're going to draw his little tail. So we're going to draw a curve, another curve, and then swirl and in. Then you need to draw his ears. So let's say about right here over this eye, we're going to pop out this curve. So definitely turn your body if you need to draw this ear or the paper, and bring it in. And then we're going to put one right next to another one. So let's say about right here. And just tuck it in. And then we need to draw the inside of the ear. So about right here. Just kind of follow your outside. And one more. There. Aw. And I almost forgot, over each eye, we're just going to draw a curve. And same thing here. There. Okay, so then we need to draw his cute little legs. So let's start by right here. We're going to put one. I'm just going to draw a curve, skip a little bit of space, and then another curve. And we're going to come down. And as we come down, we're just going to slightly curve it. thicken it up, come down a little bit more. And right here, we're just going to attach this little foot and connect. And you can put two little curves right there. So same thing on this side now. So about right here. And same thing. Slight curve. There, cute little feet. And then we need to draw his hands. So let's come about right in this area, and I'm gonna go ahead. We need to draw two of them that are bent, so start right about here. And I'm gonna curve it towards about this area. So let's say about, let's just not pass where the nose is. So about right here, we're gonna stop. So thumb, and then his fingers, and just thicken it up. And put two little lines right there. So same thing on the other side, about right here. And this one's going to be really close to the edge. You know what? I think this is a little too flat. I'm going to bring it out a little bit more. Okay, so then from there we're going to do the same thing, curve, and about right here, draw thumb and fingers and thicken it up. And two little lines for his hands. And then in the center of these two hands, we're going to draw his tummy area. So let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and just draw this big kind of circle oval shape. We'll kind of follow the body. And connect. There. Finally got it in. And let's see if I'm missing anything. Last thing, let's just add a heart right about here to make this my just so cute berry buns from Disney's Kiff. I really hope you love how this little rabbit here turned out, and I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.